Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're one of our new viewers, make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive more videos of tried and tested herbal remedies and become part of our community. To do so, click on the subscribe button below the video. I'd like to talk to you about a well-known and important herb that has been a staple in our home for years. We are talking about Echinacea. It's been used worldwide for decades to help relieve infection such as sore throats, viruses such as colds and flu. It's also known to help detoxify from poisoning, which in the last purpose needs to be used under the supervision of a healthcare practitioner. For our experience, as well as multiple clinical studies have found that it reduces infection in the body. It also helps to strengthen the immune system. It's even prevented us from catching the common cold and flu when it's around. We also use it when we feel an upcoming illness, either bacterial or viral. Not only that, but Echinacea is known to help in speeding skin healing after injury and also reducing swelling and pain. In most cases, Echinacea is considered a safe herb and it doesn't have any negative side effects. It's safe to consume for infants over the age of 6 months. I've given it to my infants. You could even see specialized Echinacea drops designed to be used on infants. Although we did say they're safe, there's still some crucial points you need to pay attention to. Number one, it's not advised to consume Echinacea on an empty stomach, as it may cause stomach ache in some when you consume it on an empty stomach, so make sure you eat something before taking it. Number two, avoid drinking coffee or smoking at least before and after 2 hours of taking Echinacea, so the caffeine and tobacco don't affect the way Echinacea works in the body. Thirdly and finally, if you're suffering from an autoimmune disease, it's best to avoid using Echinacea altogether, as it works to strengthen the immune system, and this can work against your body and treat it as unfavorable, causing you to further discomfort. Again, I'm not a doctor, so when you're not sure, it's best to consult a natural health practitioner who can assess your situation best. I'm a mom who's used this herb with success on my family for years. I've seen the power of it. What I'm presenting to you today is partly my own experience and part also the fact that I've closely researched this herb from reliable sources, and I would like you to know about it and then go on to make your own informed decision on what is best for yourself and your family. You can buy this herb from a herbal store or online. This is my favorite brand. I will place the link below of where I purchased it. It also gives you free worldwide delivery in major countries, and you get it within at least 2 weeks. The herb comes in loose leaf dried flowers and roots. You can also get it as an extract, as a capsule, or even as a cream. But in my opinion, extracts are best. We always get the glycerine based extract, as we don't want any presence of alcohol. It's an amazing herb to have on hand in your cabinet, and with the extract that usually comes in either a 5 ml or a 10 ml bottle, you only need a few drops at a time and it will last you for a very long time. We stock a bottle or two in winter. It's affordable and we know we can rely on it as part of our immune boosting herbal supplements. We also use the dried combination of flowers and roots to make our herbal infusions and tea blends, which we've done in the video. Alhamdulillah, we've noticed that it helps tremendously in wintertime in terms of healing from colds and flu, and if there's any time where one of us is unfortunate to catch the flu, I give the Echinacea drops as instructed on the packet and notice faster recovery compared to when I don't give it. Before using Echinacea, it was a terrible time for us, as we took over 2 weeks to recover from the flu, and it completely burned us out. But now, alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful for the Lord for providing us with natural herbal remedies to heal our bodies. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.